Dillard was no ordinary little boy, he had a very big imagination. Every morning, as sunlight peeked through his window and danced across his bedroom floor, Dillard would decide who he wanted to be. Today, he stood tall in his blue pajamas and announced, "Today, I'm Dr. Dillard. I have a very busy day." His mum laughed and raised her eyebrows. "Doctors are busy, but they do a very important job," she said. Dillard twirled into his toy doctor coat, fastened the pretend stethoscope around his neck, and grabbed his notepad. "Doctors help people, but they also need a plan. Can you help me make a schedule?" Mum nodded. Together, they wrote it on a big sheet of paper. Morning, check patients midday, lunch and rest afternoon, more patients evening, clean up and relax. Dillard eyed the clock fiercely. "It's starting now," he declared. At 9 o'clock sharp, Dr. Dillard's first patient arrived, Teddy, his cuddly bear. Teddy looked worried. "Oh no, doctor. I have a tummy ache," Teddy squeaked. Dr. Dillard knelt beside him and pretended to listen carefully. I think you need some water, a gentle pat on the belly, and a little nap," he said kindly. "You'll feel better soon." Feeling confident, Dillard looked at the clock and triumphantly ticked Teddy off his list. The next patient was Bunny, who hopped into the clinic clutching her ear. "Ouch! My ear feels funny." Dillard used his toy torch to peer inside. "All clear. You just need to keep your ears warm and dry," he said. One by one, each toy turned up with their problems. Robot's head went wobble wobble, and his bolt needed tightening. Dr. Dillard carefully fixed it with his pretend spanner. All morning, Dillard remembered to focus on one patient, one task at a time, and not to get distracted playing in between. He felt very proud. By midday, Mum appeared with sandwiches and a juicy apple. "Even doctors need breaks," she reminded Dillard. At first, Dillard wanted to dash straight back to his clinic. But then he thought, if I don't rest, I'll be too tired for the afternoon. So, he ate his lunch, stretched, and enjoyed looking out at the garden. When the clock struck 1, he bounced back to work, feeling fresh and strong. Just as Dillard was helping Penguin with a chili flipper, a loud whirring rolled into the room. It was Fire Truck Toy, arriving in a spin. "Dr. Dillard? I've lost a wheel. Help!" Dillard's eyes widened. This was an emergency. He felt his heart beat like a drum. Taking a deep breath, Dr. Dillard told himself, "Stay calm, check the problem, and fix it step by step." He found the missing wheel, pressed it back on, and gave Fire Truck Toy a gentle pat. "Good as new." Dillard peeked at his schedule. It was already late in the afternoon. He only had time for one more patient, even though so many toys were peering hopefully from the toy shelf. "I wish I could help everyone," Dillard sighed. "But doctors have to manage their time and know when to finish." He washed his hands, packed away his tools, and cleaned the little clinic. As evening shadows danced on the walls, Mum sat quietly beside him. "What did you learn today, Dr. Dillard?" Dillard beamed. "I learned how to make a schedule, focus on one thing at a time, take breaks, finish what I started, and stop when it's time." Mum gave him the Best Doctor badge. Dillard yawned, eyes twinkling. "Tomorrow, maybe I'll be a firefighter. I'll need a new schedule for that too." Lesson for young adventurers. Plan your day with a simple schedule. Do one thing at a time, no rushing or skipping. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.